if you do not embrace technology, you will be lost. I think in 10 years, everybody will know.
Thank you so much for doing this. The partnership has been fantastic so far.
I instantly could tell that this is a game changer. So.
What are you most excited about in the next 5 to 10 years with AI? What do you think it can do to the profession?
I'm really excited that the entire lawyer profession will be able to step up. In earlier times, you had a young lawyer sitting in front of hundreds, thousands of documents for US discovery, for example. And now today, it's AI. So we need it just because otherwise we will not be able to cope with our work.
How much of kind of the process that you were just talking about of going over thousands and thousands of documents, how much do you think that trains a young lawyer?
Certainly you learn something. The question is, do you learn as much as you could in that time?
Yeah.
And I would say no.
But I do think that we have a big problem in our industry where we lose some of the best people because they are impatient.
I completely agree. And eventually, I think they will just start at a higher level. For example, in math in school, before you had pocket calculators, you did it all in your head. And with AI, it will be the same thing.
Tell me a little bit more about what a lawyer is like today and what do you think it's going to be in 10 years?
The beehive will make more honey because of AI, but it will still be a beehive. Lawyers tend to be a bit reluctant on technology, and I think in 10 years, this will be gone.